News Talk 96.9, Hank Morse right here, Time Warner Cable Arena. Last night it was William Jefferson Clinton. Tonight it's going to be Barack Obama accepting his party's nomination. And behind me, rehearsing right here, the legendary James Taylor.
Pretty soon I'm knocking on your door. Just call out my name, and you know wherever I am,
right by the
I'll come to see you.
That's where Buster and I are at right now.
It's winter, spring, summer, fall now. All you got is love. It's now it's a feeling. Oh, now ain't good to know you've got a friend. People can be so yes, and such a, you know what I'm talking about. Take your soul if you let them. Don't you let them. Angel.